how to do a zoom transition. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to zoom into it. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls panel. Click on Anchor Point and reposition the anchor point to where you want to zoom in. Now place the playhead to where you want to start zooming, and click on Stopwatch next to Scale to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set Scale to around 300 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to start zoom out, and click on the circle button to create a keyframe with current value. Then move the playhead to where you want to completely zoom back and click on this button to reset the scale value. Now we have this nice zoom animation. To smooth the animation, select the two first keyframes, right-click on one of them, and select Ease In. Next, select the two last keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Ease Out. Now our animation is much smoother. Now let's say instead of a transition to initial scale, you want a zoom jump cut to first scale. To achieve this, delete the two last keyframes, move the playhead to where you want the jump back to start, and with Razor tool, cut there. Now select the second part of the video, and go to Effect Controls and click on this Reset parameter next to Scale property to set the scale back to 100. Now we have this nice zoom jump cut effect that we see in movies. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.